I'm Heath Thinner with Saddlemen, and I'm going to walk you through installing our carbon fiber dash on your Harley-Davidson touring model. Very simple install, and you're going to start with removing your seat and then getting into the dash, where you have a Torx at the back of the dash and an Allen, socket head Allen at the front. So just two pieces of hardware that need to be removed. So again, Torx at the back, which is a T27, and this is a socket Allen head 5/32. So after pulling the dash off, you're going to remove the stock rubber O-ring from the center, and this will be used on the Saddlemen carbon dash. So you'll simply replace the O-ring right into the Saddlemen dash. And then seat back on. Really your dash is the focal point of your bike. It's a centerpiece, you know, like a hood ornament on an old car or anything else. So it just really ties things together. It's definitely a part of your bike that you don't want to miss on in terms of design. Like all of Saddlemen's performance carbon fiber, it's made right here in Long Beach, California. For more information, make sure to visit saddlemen.com for any questions on installation or to see our full line of carbon fiber.